Hello guys! Today is September 23, 2018 and today is E-Vloggers Ball. Kaya bahala na si Batman. Hindi pa ako nag-makeup, lip tint lang ang aking pinahid. Tsaka, ano ba to? Pond's Dewy Rose Cream. Feeling ko may mali sa sinabi ko. Pero yun nga, kaya yun yung ginamit ko sa yung day cream nila na SPF 30 para lang for the sake na hindi talaga lumabas ang bahay na walang kahit na ano. So yun nga, nagsimba ako kanina, medyo naglinis. Tapos, ngayon nga, pupunta tayo sa Rina & Boss Hair Salon so that my sister and I could get hairstyling. We usually have a difficult time with hairstyling, especially with my hair na sobrang resistant. Kaya usually like to get professionals to do it. So, let's go! Hi guys! Rina & Boss styling time! Hi, hi, hi! So, we are getting ready for E-Vloggers Ball. So, that's why we are doing mermaid waves. So, hi mga kumari. Ito ang inyong kumari. And so, for today, I thought I'd be doing like some sort of get ready with me video for E-Vloggers Ball 2018. So, parang pangatlo ko na to, pero parang sabi ko, parang halos wala akong footage na napoproduce, pangatlo ko na to. So, medyo kakarinig ko na ng bongga-bongga. Let's go. So, just for those who are curious, before I get started, itong hair ko ay pinagawa ko to sa Rina & Boss Salon sa Scout Rabbits. And yun nga, I have fresh look for my contact lenses. Ito, I have my Céleteque, I don't even know anymore, 24-hour primer. And sabi ko, sige, paghaluin ko na lang din ng baby skin na primer kasi bahala na si Batman. Actually, sobrang init ngayon. Yung aircon, nakabukas na siya sa pinakamalakas sa setting, pero parang feeling ko matutunaw pa rin ako. Yung kinakabahan na ako for my hair. I hope it stays put well enough until the end of the night. This is an important occasion, so I'm using Etude House's Double Lasting Foundation. Basta tuwing may okasyon na importante, Etude House Double Lasting Foundation, hindi na iniisip. Even for graduation, even in Korea, ito yung ginagamit ko. Ito yung the best na talagang sobrang long-lasting talaga niya, pero at the same time, hindi siya prone to kikines. Kasi minsan may mga iba formula masyadong powdery. Ang nangyayari nga minsan, di ba gusto mo na matte and poreless, ang nangyayaring result is yung foundation, masyado ng powdery, tapos syempre ibubudbud mo pa ng maraming powder, bibake mo, ang net result is nagiging kwan lang, masyadong kicky ang makeup in the end. Kaya, ito lang talaga pinakakatiwala ako na hindi nagiging kahit na matinding pagsubok ang kanyang pinagdaraanan sa life. Pagdating naman sa concealer, lagi ko lang pinakakatiwala ako hindi ko na alam ang gagawin. And this one is shade number 20. Sand. Actually, ganun din. Yung Etude House ko na foundation, yung pangalan din ng shade na kataon. Itong gamit ko is, saan ka na? Ayun, yun ko lang ito. Céleteque Micro Hydrating Powder. Ito din ang ginamit ko ng graduation day. Kasi ito lang yung powder na talagang sobrang kaya niyang mag-control ng oil, sobrang matte, sobrang lahat poreless, ang ganda. Pero hindi siya nakikik. At saka kaya niyang gawin yun ng napakatagal na time. Sobrang mukhang hydrated yung skin mo. Lalo na pag yung even under flash photography. In reality, like, if you come to think of it, diba, we don't look at people's eyebrows. So talaga, Mars! Gusto ka na! Yung kilay mo ganda! Diba, hindi mo naman talaga tititigan yung kilay, diba? Titignan mo siya as how it frames the whole face from maybe at least 12 inches away, diba? Parang sobrang lapit ka na kung mag-closer ka pa sa 12 inches. So, yun. Let's do eyebrows. And yeah, probably, I'm gonna be skipping this part kasi mahaba ang eyebrows. At sige, kumikilay na ako. Ayan, so I am back. Tapos na ako mag-magic sa aking kilay. And sabi ko, sige, kahapon hinabal ko din K-Palette Real Lasting Brow 24 each. And by the way, nga pala, Anastasia ang ginamit ko sa aking kilay today. And so immediately I have to do eyeshadow. So today, I was thinking of doing like really bronzy kind of look. So that's what I'm trying to go for today. Kaya sabi ko, sige, bago ang lahat, hinahanap ko ang aking NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Nail na siyang pudpud na pudpud lang yung mga kaibigan. And so for this one, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fashion Brow. Pudpud na siya ng super at this point. Halata naman na favorite ko siya. Like, whenever I travel, ito yung dala ko. Whenever I'm doing something important or like almost like anywhere. Tsaka, kaya siya humantong ng ganyang kapudpud is because like, for any eyeshadow look, ito yung colors na ginagamit ko pang transition kasi ang ganda nito sumulat. Yung pigments niya, they are easier to blend and they get on your skin faster versus like other eyebrow palettes. And minsan nga better pa nga than yung mga actual na talagang matte brown eyeshadow na binibenta sa merkado. Kaya mas prefer ko pa actually Maybelline. And I usually just use the light color. So, kanina ginamit ko is like a fluffy brush and then a less fluffy brush but still a fluffy brush. Basically, mas malalim lang yung hugot ko sa, hindi mas malalim yung hugot eh, parang yung diin ba, mas malalim. So, mas sinusundan ko yung contour ng eye socket. I-blend ko siya or parang bang hahatagin ba? Hahatagin ko siya papunta sa inner half of the eyes. Pero, usually this is the tricky part kasi like if you usually like grab too much color, sometimes it doesn't look nice. Usually, kulang pa siya sa drama or sa dilim. So, ang ginagawa ko, I use MAC Espresso. Yeah, totoo, mahal ang MAC, pero I think this has been a really smart purchase kasi I think pagdating sa transition colors, huwag kayong magtitipid, especially for dark transition colors. Kasi minsan ang nangyayari, di ba kunyari, magtitipid, hindi bibili ng dark transition color. Ang nangyayari, sobrang tagal yung time na nasasayang sa kakapabalik-balik dun sa eyeshadow. Kasi pag blenda na ibang kulay, pupupasan naman. So that's why I found my MAC Espresso eyeshadow right here as like a really practical purchase. Tsaka kahit sa dalas ko na rin siya nagamit, parang halos yung ba wala pang nababawas. Okay, and now for the bronzy part. So I have here Juvia's Place Nude palette, and yun nga lang, I'm really sad kasi talagang nagmamansya siya. Like, why? Like, pag pinupunasan ko siya ng alcohol, mas lalo mo siyang punasan, mas lalo siyang nagmamansya, which breaks my heart. Pero at the same time, paano mo siya hindi pupunasan ng alcohol? Moving forward, I have here, ito yung parang medyo citrine na matte shade. And ganun lang din. Like, I'm also just gonna blend it. And ito, ang gagawin ka, I'm gonna grab this dark warm brown. So, may crack dito. Sobrang ma-beaut. Ang mga ng lola niya mga slide. And ito naman medyo maingat, pero i-ano ko siya, i-build ko siya sa dito, sa parang outer one-third. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko is, I have here like contact lens fluid. I have my Majolica Jewel in Ice eyeshadow pod. Ito kasi, since this is a Japanese palette, satiny ang texture, kaya minsan hindi mo siya makuhang maging pigmented yung dating. So that's why I have here yung contact lens fluid. And usually if it's not Duraline, I couldn't find my Duraline today. Like talagang kinareer ko na, pero talaga ayaw lang talaga niya magpakita. So sabi ko, okay, sige fine, ayaw mo magpakita, not today. So, ang ginagawa ko, ayun nga, binabasa ko yung brush ng contact lens fluid. Tapos, I'm using Sigma E55 brush. So, it's a flat paddle brush. And usually, I use a patting motion. And I use contact lens fluid para basa siya. At para talagang yung ang ganda ng kapit niya. But at the same time, I prefer to use contact lens fluid. Kasi di ba yung contact lens fluid, sterile solution talaga siya. So, for hygiene purposes. And I still have like some fluid. And I'm gonna grab this like a taupe, light taupe shade. And ang gagawin ko naman, kasi diba ito nilagay ko siya sa buong lid. So, gusto ko naman ito sa sentro lang. I will probably be starting to use these two shades. Okay, I need just a little bit of that super dark metallic shade and have it on like the outer one-third of my crease. So, I'm using Cyber Colors Gel Liner. This is actually like one of the best in hindsight kasi even makalimutan mo siya for several months, hindi siya manunuyo. Unlike, minsan kasi ang dami ko nang na-encounter na eyeliner, yung mga nasa pot na mahayaan mo lang, you forget about it for a few weeks or like a few months or even ano nga lang, hindi ba? A few weeks, biglang tuyo na siya pagkabukas mo ulit. Kaya hindi talaga ako magaling sa wing liner. Like, hindi lang dahil talaga sa brush na to, pupulutin ako sa kampungan. So today I'm using my Koji curving eyelash curler, and kaya siya sikat kasi it's curved technically both ways. Like, it's curved this way and curved this way. So, wala na, Englishera na ang lolo mo, wala na, finish na. And favorite ko nga to kasi minsan kahit yung mahirap ma-curl na corner lashes, ito talaga yung eyelash curler for that. Kumakuha niya lahat. Like, the best. Tsaka yung pinaka-nakaalyo pa ako, like, I got this eyelash curler way back in 2010, and like, noong time na yun, versus a new eyelash curler now, nag-appreciate na siya. So parang sabi ko, medyo nag-ROI yung lolo niya. Tumaas pa yung presyo niya as of today. Kaya parang if I were you, like, now is the best time to get a Koji curving eyelash curler. Kasi malay nyo, kung kailan pa siya tataas ulit. Usually kapag magpa-false eyelash, I like to use mascaras that, syempre di ba yung okay naman, pero not too much, not too stiff yun. Not too stiff na hindi mo na halos mailagay yung false eyelash. So, of course, the mascara of choice for that task can only be Maybelline Hypergirl. Pause muna ang ating video dahil ako ay maglalagay ng false eyelash. So, for today, I'm using Bokto BT02 and so I'm back. Lagay ng false eyelash. And to finish off the eye makeup, I have here Etude House's Teardrop Shimmer. And ito, frat bow, ang sa mga favorite brushes ko. And lalo ko pa siya nagustuhan kasi favorite ko si Jessa Pilar, yung beauty queen. And madalas yung makeup artist niya si Moy. Moy always uses, lagi niya ginagamit ang frat boy. I'm using my Etude House flat blush brush. Ang hirap kong sabi. Like, mga tutorials, hindi natatapos sa mga tutorials dahil blush brush. And for highlighter, today I gotta turn up the volume. That's why I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome. And this one is in the shade Molten Gold. Sobrang ganda ng Maybelline Master Chrome. Grabe. Sobrang ganda niya talaga. Like, sobrang, hindi ako makapanibala for the price point at how well it's performed. I think parang ito tama ba 500, pero isang pagkalaking buo na siya. Like, hello. Sobrang laki na to. I doubt you will be able to use up one of these in a year. Like, in a year na yun. And so, for contour today, I'm using Maybelline V-Face Duo Powder, and this one is in Neutral. And finally, for lips, today, I'm using something that's not here. This one is L'Oreal Infallible Paints Matte in Peach Pit. This one is a US release, and pinabili ko siya sa mga kinakapagpapilip sa mga customer. Like, in-order ko, pinadala ko sa bahay nila. Yeah, this is the makeup look. I will be back just to show you how I would look with the earrings and the outfit and everything. Woo, natapos din. And just to make sure, using L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. Just to be extra sure. So yun hanggang na ako. Kaya I'll fix the blue so you can see it properly. And I'm also wearing earrings by Jacqueline, my favorite place in the world. Put that in earrings. And I knew I forgot something, and yeah, it's glitter eyeshadow, and this one is Pearly Night Collection by Peripera. And huwag kayong mag-alala kasi yung glitter eyeshadow nila, like parang pa iba-iba lang yung collection name, but itong shade na Kitten Beige, yeah, so nag-prepare ako kitten. Itong shade na Kitten Beige, this is, you will almost always find this in a Peripera store. Minsan iba-iba lang yung packaging nila for this product kapag meron sila new collection or kapag pumarating na ang holidays or Valentine or some other occasion na gusto nilang gawa nito ng special packaging. So, I'm focusing it mainly on the inner half of the lids. So yeah, ito na siya. I'm done with the makeup look, and the next problem is I'm gonna show you guys this entire outfit.